Hello everyone. So today onwards we'll be making mandala, and before we start with mandala, I'll teach you how to make grids for mandala, which is a very important and the first step for making mandala. So what we'll do is I've taken an A4 size paper, and what I'm doing is I'm just drawing the border to it. You can make a thinner border also, whatever suits you. So I'm making border to this. So like this I'll make border to this paper. Now how to take the center, because in mandala it is very important to take the center. So now what we'll do is we'll take the pencil, and with the help of pencil we'll take out the center of the side. So this is 23.5678, 23.8. So it will be 11 point something. 11.9. Here also we'll do the same thing. We'll draw at 11.9. The same we'll do this side. It is 15.12. 15.2. So then what we'll do is 7.6 will be our center. .6 is our center. Now we will join the lines. So we have got the center of the paper. Now what we do is we'll keep the protector in the center and mark the line. So this is how at each degree we'll mark. Same thing we'll do this side. We'll keep the protractor in the center and we'll mark. So like this we'll mark all the four sides. I'll zoom a bit so that you get an idea. See. So this is how we'll do it. Now what we do is with the help of scale we will join these lines like this. And this is the first step of making grids. I'm joining this to this, the diagonal lines. We will keep doing this. So like this we'll keep joining the lines. We are almost done. So, and the last and the final one. So this is how we have made a basic grid. Now what we'll do is, we'll take the center line, and I need 8. So I'll be telling you also about 8. We'll keep this 8 in the center. This is the center line, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now comes the next one. So this is the compass. So now we'll take a compass and fix a pencil. If you want, you can do it directly with the pen also if you have done it earlier. But what I'll suggest is always to do with the pencil first, so that there is always a room for correction. So set your pencil and then start with this. So now again, keep it on the center line and start making circle. I am not very comfortable with compass, but then see what is happening to me. Anyways, I'll start with the first line then. This is our first grid. Now come to the second grid. Adjust the compass. Now come to the third grid. So now these are the final grids on which you will be working. Now come to one. So the 100 patterns which we have learned, we'll be doing on this now. And then comes this one which I always keep up. I'll do it with the help of my hands. 1 second. This is why I'm not. So this is how it is. This is how we make grid.